Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Before we start, hit that subscribe button below. Thank you very much for doing that and supporting the channel as always. Okay, so first of all I'm going to create a list here. I'm going to populate it with some names. I'm going to put some duplicates in as well. So I've got Joe, Joe and Joe. Today Joe is a popular guy. And we got Bill. And we've got Sam. And we've got Pete. Okay. Right, let's have a look. Let's do another Sam, shall we? Okay, Sam. There we go. That's another Sam. Now we are going to create a function called count names. So we're going to count the number of instances a name appears in the list. So we're going to get some input from the user. So we're going to call it name is equal to input. Okay, we're going to say enter a name. Okay, and then we're going to create a variable called count, which is going to be equal to names dot count name. Right, and now we're going to print out our results and we're going to use the F for format strings. So there are, and then we've got the count here. It's going to give us the number. There are occurrences of, and then we got the name that we entered in the list. Okay, so there we go. Now all we have to do is call it, and we call it by its name, which is going to be count names. Okay, save it, and let's just run the program. Okay, so enter a name. So I'm going to enter Joe first. I want to see how many occurrences of Joe there are in the list. Okay, so there are 3 occurrences of Joe in the list. 1, 2, 3. That is correct. Let's run it again. Let's try Pete. There are 1. Sorry about the grammar. That should have been there is 1 occurrence. Okay, never mind. Sorry about that. I forgot all about that. Okay, let's do somebody else now. Who've we got? Sam. Okay, there should be 2 occurrences of Sam. There are 2 occurrences of Sam in the list. So there you go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember to click subscribe and click the bell notification as well, so you never miss another video. And I will catch you in another one. Bye-bye.